Yo, what is good, everybody? Welcome back to another vlog. So this is going to be a little bit different, guys. This is going to be behind the scenes. For a lot of you who may or may not know this, I own a company, I'm co-owner of a company called FASTCOACH. If you're into intermittent fasting, if you're into biohacking, tracking your ketones, your blood glucose, your energy levels, participating in live and on-demand challenges with your favorite coaches in the intermittent fasting space, the keto space, the glucose space, then this is the app for you guys. We took over a year and a half, even longer, because the idea came about 2 years ago to develop this app. And now we've turned it into the world's first platform like this. No other platform can do this, okay? So you can do all those things, but you need like 3 different apps minimum. All you need is ours. FASTCOACH. So anyways, guys, we got a bunch of our coaches coming in. We're gonna film some content for you guys. So I just wanna show you, like, you know, just behind the scenes, guys, what goes into FASTCOACH, what goes into Keto Coach, and everything we put into it, guys. And we do this for you because we know how important health is. With everything that's going on in this world, the pandemic, everything, health should be your #1 priority. Health is wealth, okay? And I'm gonna use this analogy because, look, I see it so many times, guys. I see it so many times. People, and again, this is not taking a shot. This is just me observing from the outside looking in. I see people who are very overweight, who probably need to lose about 40 to 50, 60 pounds, shopping at Gucci, shopping at Louis Vuitton, shopping at Prada, buying all this fancy, you know, high-end clothes to make them look good, right? When they won't invest $30 a month in a gym membership. They won't invest $50 a month on a nutritional coach, a personal trainer at the gym, but they'll invest $400 to $500 for an outfit that they hope makes them look good, which, let's be honest, like, that ain't happening. That ain't working, okay? When you can invest in yourself, invest in your health, don't invest in Louis Vuitton, don't invest in Gucci. And where I'm going with this is that, look, when you lose weight, when you build muscle, when you start to drop the fat, anything will look good on you. A pair of jeans and a white shirt will look a mint. Legend, okay? Simple leggings and a crop top, you'll be like, boom, banging, right? You don't need to buy all this fancy stuff. Invest in yourself. And so that is the #1 reason why we put so much time and effort into this app, into Keto Coach, because we know we're gonna provide you with content that's beneficial, that's gonna help you in the future, help you get healthy, help you get fit, help you drop that body fat, and just overall have a good time as a community doing it together. So my little rant right there. If you haven't downloaded FASTCOACH, what are you doing? FASTCOACH app on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store as well. So waiting for the team to get here. As you can see, they should be walking in pretty soon. But also, I want to give you a little tour, guys. This is the Keto Coach office right here. Now, for those of you who do know me, this is also Ross's house as well. So Keto Coach, FASTCOACH, and Ross, AKA the bodybuilder, AKA hopefully he's getting his pro card today, live here and we work here, so we get everything done. So it's pretty much like a bodybuilding, biohacking, intermittent fasting, keto headquarters, essentially what it is. Oh, and there he is right there on cue, guys, on cue. I knew he was about to walk in. Danny Vega, what's up, brother? Missed you, man. Missed you.
I'm so cracked out, man.
Missed you, man.
I got like 3 hours of sleep.
Okay, so for those who don't know, Danny, he had like 4 different connecting flights. Like,
I never had 3 flights. I never fly 3.
Yeah, it was insane. He missed his flight, long story short. So he had to rent a car, get a hotel, drive from Houston, but he's here.
I'm here,
baby. Look at him rocking the FASTCOACH.
That's
We're
right.
ready, man. We're ready. Danny, you have a YouTube channel, right? Or,
Yep.
Okay.
Fat Fueled Family.
Okay, and you have a podcast.
Yep. Fat Fueled Family also.
There you go. Instagram.
Oh, Instagram. DannyVega.ms. Sorry.
There you go. Guys, I'm going to link all the coaches' information in the description below. But this is just a raw, uncut, behind the scenes. Like I said, I want to show you everything that we put into FASTCOACH, Keto Coach, because it's all for you guys. So everyone, sit back, relax, and enjoy this vlog. Say what's up, everyone. Say what's up. Behind the scenes, Jamie is going to go first for the challenges, so she's going to absolutely kill it. Then I think maybe we got Robert or Danny.
One of the two, for sure.
One of the two, but we finally got you guys here. And hopefully, if we have time, maybe not, but we will eventually do it. me and Robert can get on this podcast, man.
Yeah.
So I gotta get this podcast going, guys. I know. I literally last January was Metabolic Health Summit is when I came up with the idea of this podcast. We're now about to go into January in 2 months. Logan, what are you doing?
What are you doing, bro?
What am I doing? Do I even practice what I preach? No, I don't. So, all right. So here's the studio, guys, and yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. We got Alex right there. So we're gonna be coordinating these challenges, and there I am right there. Hello, everybody. Wait, can you see me? There you go. Now you can see me. All right. So it's gonna be fun, guys. Let's go.
Last day of this 5-day unsweet challenge. I am so proud of you. I know this has been a struggle for many, many people because sugars and alternative sweeteners are absolutely addictive.
Okay, guys, so a couple of hours have passed. Jamie did all her challenges, and she absolutely killed it. Killed it. Now we got this guy. Now we got, Savage, Keto Savage about to go up. Are you ready, man?
I guess we'll find out here soon.
We're going to find out, guys. We're going to find out. And we just got done eating, so shout out to the Gaines Bakery for hooking us up with the food. Robert, first time having Gaines. What do you think?
I ate 2 meals, and they both went down pretty easy.
Nice. Jamie, did you like it?
Bomb.com.
Bomb.com. Told you guys, don't be jealous. Don't be jealous. All right, so let's head over to the studio, Robert. Let's get set up, and let's get ready to shoot these challenges.
Let me grab my phone. I got the notes. A journey of about 6 years at this point, and it becomes easier and easier and easier the more fat adapted, the more keto adapted you become. So as soon as your body truly taps into the full potential at following a strict ketogenic approach, and your body doesn't need the carbs, doesn't need.
All right, guys, day 1 of filming is complete, and it was a massive, massive success, guys. We killed it. Now it's time to head to Austin. We're gonna get a quick, cheeky workout in, and then we're going to Bob's Steak and Chop House to get some steaks. So shout out to the team. Oh yeah, by the way, you guys were wondering if he killed it. He killed it, man. He killed it, bro. You guys are gonna love his challenges. You're gonna absolutely love his challenges. Yes. So here we are. The crew is ready to go. We're ready to grab some food and get ready to train. So let's do it. All right, guys. So we just got to the hotel. We got to make this workout really super quick. So we got the crew in here. We got Danny. We got Robert.
What's up?
And then we got, where's Jamie? Oh, Jamie's somewhere over here. Let's see if we can see her. There she is. Look at that. So we got to get a quick workout before we get this steak in.
Let's get it in.
Let's go. Already triggered comments. That will be the intro of this video. No, this is behind the scenes.
You get some views on that one.
All right, guys. So as you know, Robert and I, we always like going back and forth with each other. I love it. It's a very friendly competition that him and I always have. And so we couldn't complete this workout until we had a good pose off. So we're gonna hit a couple of poses. And who knows, maybe next year, maybe 2022, who knows?
Who knows?
We can step on the same stage.
What we doing here? What we doing here?
All right, so yeah, we'll just
hit
whatever.
With the front double bicep.
We'll hit it with the front double bicep. Yeah.
All right.
There we go. And this is how we're going to usually be. This is how we're going to be on stage. We're going to be this close, and we're going to be fighting. We're going to be, you know.
Yeah. You ready?
Jocelyn, you ready?
Elbowing each other.
All right. Here we go. I love it. I love it. All right, hold on. All right. All right. Here we go. All right, we'll hit him with
most muscular. Let's go.
most muscular. Here we go.
All right, here we go. I'm supposed to have my clothes off for this.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah.
All right, let's hit him with the back pose. Hit him with the back. That's it.
Back pose.
Here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Yo, how am I sweating so much already?
Jamie's like dripping.
Like, what is this?
Lat spread or back double bi?
We'll back double bi, and then we'll go lat spread.
Okay.
Front lat. And then we'll hit them with the most muscular now. They got shirts off. Here you go.
Wear me
I'm learning to love
off
this.
season right here.
Here we go.
Yeah, just compete in off season.
Okay, all right.
Ready?
All right, here we go. Ready?
Robert is a handicap.
All right, we're all dressed up. Look at Keto Savage.
What's up?
Looking good, bruh. Let's see Danny.
Yo, I gotta.
Look at Danny. Okay.
No porn November.
That's
There you go.
I like it. Hold on. You gotta flip this camera on me, man. Hold on. Hold on. Let me show you. I'm knocking somebody out of ketosis today. All right, everybody, so that's gonna wrap up the vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed this. It was fun. It was such an amazing weekend. I'm glad you got to meet the coaches. If you don't know the coaches, you need to go check them out on their Instagram. I'll have all their information in the link below. They're all amazing people, and I am so grateful and honored to call them my friends and have them a part of the Fast Coach team and Keto Coach team. So that being said, guys, it is the day after Thanksgiving. It's currently Friday right now, and I'm pretty stuffed. I hope you guys had an amazing Thanksgiving. So I want to let you guys know that we are having a huge Black Friday sale for Keto Coach, guys. It's one of our biggest sales of the year. Take advantage of it today, guys, because come January 1st, look, everyone's gonna lose body fat. It's been the holidays, everyone's taking a break. I get it, hey, me being one of them, and so everyone wants to get back on track. Take advantage of the deals now, so that way, come January 1st, you don't need to order anything. You have everything you need to get the ball rolling, guys. So if you're into intermittent fasting, if you're into checking your ketones, checking your glucose, and participating in live and on-demand challenges, check out the Fast Coach app. It's on the Google Play Store and the Apple Store, and it's free, so make sure you check it out, guys. And then head over to Keto Coach, get yourself a meter, and get yourself a traveling bag to take it with you, because that's something you definitely don't want to leave the house without. So thank you guys for watching this vlog. Like I said, I can't thank you guys enough. You have been such an amazing community, such amazing support system for Keto Coach, my family, my company, Fast Coach. We would be nowhere without you. I know I've said this like 1,000 times and I sound like a broken record, but I don't care, because I truly mean it from the bottom of my heart. We would be nowhere if it wasn't for you guys, if it wasn't for your support, if it wasn't for my amazing friends that have joined the team. And we're gonna have many, many more people join the team, and I can't wait to share with you the amazing things that we're working on right now. I really wish we could just launch everything all at once, but you know, that's not the reality of things. We gotta, things take time. We gotta develop things. We have such amazing ideas and so many things coming to our platform, coming to Keto Coach, and I can't wait to share it with you guys. So thank you. I hope everyone had an amazing Thanksgiving. Also, if you're watching this right now, hey, don't stress about what you did yesterday. I definitely did not do keto yesterday. I ate like a maniac yesterday, like a complete maniac, but it's all good, because you know what? I got up this morning, did my fasted cardio. I'm still currently fasting as I'm recording this video right now. I think I got about 30 minutes. Yeah, I got about 30 minutes and I'm gonna have my first meal of the day. I also plan on doing my workout today. So the purpose of that is to burn up all that glycogen that I ate yesterday. So that way, by tomorrow or maybe tomorrow night, I'll be back in ketosis. So if you're like me, who went crazy for Thanksgiving, first of all, don't panic, Hispanic, everything's gonna be okay. Just get back to fasting, get back to your traditional ketogenic diet, go work out, do some type of exercise, and burn up through that glycogen, and I promise you, you'll be back in ketosis in no time. Check your ketones, monitor to see if your levels are going up, and like I said, in about 3, maybe even 2 days, you should be back in ketosis, back to burning body fat, and back on track. So that being said, guys, make sure you check out the Black Friday sales for Keto Coach. It's the biggest sale of the year. Link will be in the description below. I absolutely love you guys. Have an awesome weekend, and we'll see you on the next vlog. Peace.